Hi, I'm Kavita Ralhan. In this video, I'll be talking about Bass Buds Jets from the brand Petron. So let's get started. These are basically true wireless stereo earbuds from the brand Petron. You can see the product image here. Some amazing features that are mentioned on the box are that it has advanced wireless connectivity. The transmission range that it offers is around 10 meters. The driver size that you get on the earbuds is around 10 mm, which is quite decent. There is a great frequency response. The music playback time that you get with these wireless earbuds is 5 hours, and the talk time that you get is around 3.5 hours. Now the battery it has is 50 mAh lithium polymer, and the battery capacity of charging case is around 400 mAh lithium polymer. Then there is a charging port. The standby time that you get is around 120 hours. Now you get a stereo audio with the bass with this earbuds. Then there is hands-free call function. It's lightweight, and then you can use both the earbuds, or you can use one earbud at a time according to your need. And then it has a magnetic charging case. It comes in various color options, but currently the one I have, let's see what color is this. It is full black in color, and this is how it looks like. This is how it's packed. So this is the charging case. You can see the Petron branding, and these are the wireless earbuds. Let me take these out again. These are black in color, and in order to switch it on, what you have to do is just press both the earbuds for 3 seconds, and then red and blue light will flash alternatively, and then you'll get to know that these are power on. And if you want to switch it off, again you have to do just the same thing, and whenever you put them in the charging case, these automatically gets off and they get into the charging mode. So this is how you have to keep them, and as soon as I keep them, they automatically go to the charging mode. And it's a magnetic charging case, and this digital display that you see here lets you know about the battery life, how much battery has been consumed, how much it is left, and you just have to close this in order to charge the case. This is the slot. Now you also get the charging cable here. Along with the charging case, you get extra set of silicone ear cups. So they come in different sizes. You can also try these. So all you have to do is this charging cable, you have to put it here, and then you can put this into your adapter, into your laptop, however you want to charge it. And then you also get this instruction manual, which talks about the product in detail, how to use them, how you can listen to music, and you know what all, how can you reject the call, how can you play pause the music, how can you go on to the next song, previous song. In fact, Google Assistant is also there. Again, you can do that with these wireless earbuds. So this is the user manual that you can see. Bluetooth version that it offers is 5.1. Transmission range, I already told you, it's around 10 meters. Battery capacity of the charging case is 400 mAh lithium polymer, and the music playback time that it gets, that you get actually after charging this fully, is around 4 hours. That's again quite good. So everything is mentioned here. The driver size is 10 mm, and then you also get this warranty card. You have to scan this code in order to register for warranty. So this was it about Bass Buds Jets from the brand Petron. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned in for more videos.